Hey, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to the Fascia Lift Method Fitness and Posture. So in today's video, as you can see, different location, I'm in my garden, and I thought we'd do some really great seated exercises after a hard day, busy day, sitting down at work perhaps you've been hunched over a computer, or even if you find it difficult to get out of a chair and you just want something nice and gentle. We're really going to be hydrating the fascia by doing these gentle exercises. So in seated position with our feet firmly on the ground, I like to just make sure that everything's in alignment first, from the feet all the way to the head, so that the feet are parallel and nice and flat onto the ground, and that our knees are literally over our feet, not over the toes. And then we want to take our sit bones and just gently move it around a bit on your chair, just to make sure you're in right alignment and it's nice and comfortable, really moving and just hydrating. And once we've done that, you want to make sure that your pelvis is nice and straight and in line with your rib cage and also your shoulders, and that the ears also are in line with your shoulders, and your head, you can almost pretend that you have a piece of string coming all the way up to the ceiling or the sky. So a nice straight and alignment. So let's just do a few gentle roll of shoulders, some nice shoulder rolls here in a backwards motion, releasing any tension from the day. Incorporate the arms, and then coming forward. And then I always like to come back a couple of times just to reset the shoulders in place. This makes sure that then we're nice and in alignment rather than hunching forward. Particularly if we've been at a computer all day, you tend to lean forward and you end up shortening the neck. And if we shorten the neck, we're not getting so much blood flow, oxygen, and also toxic and detoxification either. So we really want to be nice and straight. So once we've done that, we're just going to place our hand onto our knees here, our legs, and let's just gently come all the way up, a lovely gentle stretch to the top, and then just stretch to the side, breathing out as we stretch, breathing in and then breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. You don't need to go too far across. Stretching with the hands if you can, if you have maximum stretch. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. We'll do this 2 more times on each side. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And gently come back up, releasing the hands. So placing our hands onto the side of our chair if you can, or you can do this with your hands at the side and just lifting and hoiking yourself up, but I suggest with some sort of stability side of the chair. We're really going to just work a little bit more fascia on the pelvis and also the sit bones here. So you just want to breathe in and then just come up a little bit, come back down. Breathe in and breathe out as you come out. Breathe in. Let's do this 10 times. 3. Breathe out. 5. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 3 more times. And 1 last time. This will really help with that fascia on, as I say, around the pelvis area and also those sit bones, particularly if we've been sitting all day. So once we've done that, let's just gently lift up, placing a hand on the side, lift up with our knee, and then alternate knees. And we're not going too high up, we're just really hydrating the fascia. And we're going to do this again 10 times on each side. We've done 3, 4. Remember to hold your core engagements and that your back is nice and straight and that your shoulders are nice back and straight as well. And 3 more times on each side. Nice and slow. And release. And then taking our hands, I'm just going to interconnect our fingers and we're just going to come out. Nice gentle stretch here. Breathing in and then breathing out, just very gently turn to the side. Holding that stretch. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretching straight forward again. And then coming to the side. Breathe out. I like to do nice deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the nose. Breathe out. Let's just do this one more time on each side. Breathing out and just hold. Breathe in and then breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And one more time. Breathe in, breathe out. A very gentle seated stretch. And breathe in. And then come all the way to the top and just hold that stretch. And again, we're going to hold this for 3 breaths. 1, 2, and 3. And just gently release the hands nice and slowly. So coming to the shoulders and also the neck area, we hold a lot of tension, we scrunch, we get tight on our fascia. So we're going to release this. So placing our hand onto our head, other hand onto the shoulder, gently breathe in for 3. And then breathing out, we're just very slowly going to tilt the head. Now this isn't too far, we don't want any pain at all, just nice and light. And just hold that stretch. And then breathe in and then just slowly look towards the armpit. Breathe in and breathe out and come back. And then come back up. And then on the other side, hand onto the shoulder, other hand onto the head, nice and straight. Breathe in and then just calm to the side. Holding that stretch. Breathe in and then just move the head, just slightly tilt towards the armpit. Really getting that stretch on the SCM muscle as well. Breathe in, come back, and then breathe out back to the center. So then again, let's just do some shoulder rolls coming forward. Releasing any tension of the day. And then backwards. And one last time. And then shoulders set into place, taking our palms, placing them onto our thighs here, with the palms facing up, and we're going to do 3 gentle deep belly breaths. And I want you to imagine you're coming literally all the way from your sit bones, literally unzipping all the way to the clavicle, the collarbone here. And what we're going to be doing is really relaxing everything. So deep breath in and deep breath out. Relaxing everything. You can close your eyes as well if you want to. Breathe in. And breathe out. And last time, breathing in. And breathing out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and please comment down below. Tell me how you found this today, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.